What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's happy hour at Starbucks. So of course I'm going. I think this is the last happy hour on Thursday in December, because every Thursday for December they were doing happy hour. I think it's the last one. So for today's drink we are going to be trying the mint chocolate chip Frappuccino. I saw this one on TikTok, so I'm really excited to try it, and I hope it's as good as it sounds, because mint chocolate chip ice cream is my favorite. But we'll see how it goes. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and let's go to Starbucks.
Starbucks, this is Miller. What can I get started for you today?
Hey, can I get a grande double chocolate chip Frappuccino?
One grande double chocolate chip Frappuccino. Anything else for you?
Can I get that with heavy cream?
With heavy cream?
Yes, please.
It's a grande, right?
Yes.
I gotcha.
And then
anything else for you?
2 pumps of peppermint in there, and then can we do white mocha instead of regular mocha? Thank you. Out a Lucky Charm drink without the marshmallow.
Do you really need? Oh wait, yeah. Because marshmallows in this area.
Maybe I should buy marshmallow fluff and be like, can you put this in the Frappuccino?
They'd hate you.
Yeah, I know. It'd probably ruin the blender. No, probably not.
I remember we used to eat that with like Nutella or like peanut butter or something.
When I did cake decorating and it was in the house.
Was that why it was in the house?
Because I made fondant.
Oh, we used it for like sandwiches. It was so hard to spread though, but it was so good. But now I bet if I ate it now it would be so gross.
I always thought it was gross.
No, because it tastes like marshmallow.
I didn't think it tasted like marshmallow.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't
to
really
me it
remember what
tasted like, hold on, now I gotta try to imagine the taste. It's been a while.
I don't really remember. I don't remember
know.
It was super good.
I just remember it was super bad.
Well, it's probably super gross now because like I'm not like 8 anymore.
Probably.
Or however old I was when you did that, which I think I was like 8. Because you were only like 14, right?
Was I?
Oh, well, that would make me 9. I don't know. How
Maybe
old
you
were
need to go back to school.
Well, I would just...
Wait, I was in co-op?
Yeah.
How old was I when I was in co-op?
I don't know. I knew 2012 we were in co-op.
So I was 13.
Because I remember that on the... Yeah, but we stayed there longer than 2012.
Yeah, but my thing is, we were there before 2012 too.
Yeah.
When we were in the old building, and it was when we were in the old building.
Oh, really?
I'm pretty,
oh,
yeah.
So you were really young.
Yeah, I was really young.
Strawberry acai refresher.
No, you were not that young.
Thank you.
No, you couldn't have been that young to do the cake decorating thing because you always made everything by yourself.
Yeah.
You couldn't have been like...
Molly, I started baking when I was really young. That's what homeschoolers do.
That's not what I did.
Okay, well, I was obviously a different homeschooler. We didn't have electronics like you guys do.
I didn't have electronics when I was like your age when you did the cake decorating thing.
Yeah, I know, but you were also like really young. We moved down here when I was 8. We started co-op. I went.
You're not gonna add this in, right?
Oh no, I am. I'm gonna keep going.
Wait, what?
We're keeping this conversation in.
No.
Hold on, because now I gotta figure it out, and everybody wants to know the tea. I was 8 when we moved down here. I went to 3rd grade. I was 9. So I went to co-op when I was like what, 10, 11. I did cake decorating for 3 years. No,
yeah, it was 3.
Was it 3 years?
I think 3 semesters.
Okay, so that was a year and a half. So I think I was about either 10 or 11.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
You did all of the like.
I have the pictures of my. Oh, but I didn't post them until 2013. No, 2012 because I turned 13. Wait.
So that means you were like 12. Or
So I was like 12, yeah.
Okay, but wait, really? So you were Abby's age?
Abby's 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was Abby's age when I started cake decorating class. But I started even baking before I went to cake decorating class, because I would look up recipes on Pinterest and I would bake at home. That's when like iPods didn't exist and like stuff like that. So like
You were home all day.
And I was home all day. So what else am I gonna do? Like watch TV? And we didn't watch a lot of TV.
We couldn't. Our Disney Channel was.
Our Disney Channel was blocked. So we literally, the only source of entertainment was me baking. And I used to bake all the time.
They're gonna be like, your Disney Channel was blocked?
Hey!
We just switched spots here. So are you just waiting for this double chocolate chip with the...
Yeah, that one.
Okay. You're not pulled up right now. Here you go.
Thank
You're
you.
good, right?
Yes, thank you so much. You too.
Disney Channel wasn't blocked for too long. They're gonna think like we never watched Disney Channel growing up. We used to always.
Okay, yeah. So we did watch Disney Channel growing up. We watched it.
So why did it get blocked?
Because we weren't allowed to watch Wizards of Waverly Place because of the magic. That's when they didn't like magic, and now they're obsessed with Harry Potter. So like.
Well, they used to. You watched Harry Potter before you even watched. Like,
yeah, but we weren't allowed. We were at Nana's house, and Nana let us watch it. So Nana got in trouble when Mom found out that we watched Harry Potter, because she didn't want us watching that stuff because it was like of the devil.
They're gonna think like.
Okay, guys. So this is behind the scenes on making a TikTok. So your girl has started TikTok. Cole, don't go watch my TikToks. I'm embarrassed. I'll show you soon. Okay. Anyway. So I'm gonna be making a TikTok on Starbucks drinks now because I figured they're pretty popping on my, I think I just used my straw for my Trent to drink.
Does it matter?
So I figured since they're really popular on my YouTube channel that they'd probably be pretty popular on TikTok. So I'm gonna go ahead and like, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and like make a TikTok on how you make this because I look on TikTok all the time for Starbucks recipes as well because your girl loves a good, maybe I should turn my car off, a good Starbucks recipe, especially since I have a channel. So I have my book right here because I have to write down the recipes because I won't remember. Okay, so how should I do it? How should I start it? This is how you make? Or is that,
I don't know, like.
or is that bad?
Hey guys, this is how you make, and then say the drink name and then say the recipe.
Okay. Oh, maybe I shouldn't hold it in front of the camera. This is how you make a mint chocolate chip Frappuccino. Did that sound stupid?
No, you just told them what you were doing.
I'm supposed to tell them at first because we were watching.
I know, that's what I thought you said is a soup. I said no, you just told them what you were doing.
okay. Oh, maybe I should hold it up too? Should I hold it right here so I'm reading it and like you?
Are you gonna cut this out?
No, this is what the behind the scenes is. Okay. Ask for a grande. Okay, hold on, let me try again. Double chocolate chip Frappuccino. Okay. Ask for a grande double chocolate chip Frappuccino with heavy milk. Okay. With heavy milk. Wait, heavy milk? Heavy cream?
Yeah.
Okay. With heavy cream, 2 pumps of peppermint. What's after that? Okay. And white mocha instead of regular mocha. And here we have the mint chocolate chip Frappuccino. Ah! I didn't get the whole thing! Mint chocolate chip Frappuccino. Ask for a
Hannah, you do know you can do a minute long TikTok.
Shh. With heavy cream, 2 pumps of peppermint, and white mocha instead of regular mocha. And here we have the mint chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip! Hold on, I gotta redo the last part. What was the last part? White mocha instead of regular mocha. Okay. Ask for white mocha instead of regular mocha, and here we have the mint chocolate chip Frappuccino!
Okay.
Oh my
Are you
god.
gonna redo it?
This is how you make
No,
mint
keep it
chocolate
like
chip
that.
Frappuccino. Should I keep it like that?
Yeah.
Ask for a grande double chocolate chip Frappuccino with heavy cream, 2 pumps of peppermint. Ask for white mocha instead of regular mocha. And here we have the mint chocolate chip Frappuccino. This is how you make
They're gonna be
mint
like,
chocolate
what?
chip Frappuccino. Ask for a... Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put that in drafts. Okay, after that chaotic mess, I'm still posting it and leaving it like that. Maybe I can put it here for you guys to watch. Oh my god, maybe. Well, I'll see.
Then they won't have to go to your TikTok.
Oh, actually go to my TikTok. It's Black Lace Beauty. Go there and then you can watch it and watch me mess up and be bad. So here we have the mint chocolate chip Frappuccino. So let's try it. I mean, it tastes like mint chocolate chip, but oh, that's why I got a lot of the heavy whipped cream on the bottom. That's really good, but I don't like it with heavy cream. It's really creamy, which isn't supposed to be a bad thing, I guess.
With like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Yeah, but it's like, taste it. It's like super thick. So I will give it, I think an 8 out of 10. Hannah kind of recommend. It is good. I just don't like the heavy cream part because it's like really creamy. You don't like it?
No, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
You like the cream in it?
I mean, the cream doesn't ruin it, but
Yeah, it's like,
just get it without the cream.
yeah, just get it without the cream. Oh my god, that would have been so good without the cream. Maybe I should have gotten it without the cream. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to go check out my TikTok because I'm trying to become TikTok famous, actually. I don't know if that'll happen, but I'm trying. So yeah, they look like they could be TikTok boys. Yeah, so love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.